a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home.
I'm drank up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm drank up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it, you elevate it.
I came over, I ain't sober, I'm still drunk, that's hangover. Might run it back when this page over. You the best thing I done slaved over. Gon' arch your back and been way over. It's overdue for that understressing. Over him, now you underdressing. Call me up and I come finessing. Like, ooh, we shot it, what it do, what it don't. Baby, you a queen, you can move how you want. You was rocking with me when I couldn't stay afloat. They ain't never saying nothing wavy to a boat. Like, eyes up, look at me, now I'm the captain. Brought the camera, time for action. Split the legs just like a fraction. Tuck the napkin, time for snacking. You a mother meal. Tell me that it's mine, baby, tell me that it's real. Hit it to the max, well, tell me how it feel. It's gonna be a minute, cause I'm in it for the thrill. Make her feel like heaven, she gon' put me in the wheel. And willingly, I wanna do anything she wanna do. I ain't even wanna boo, but this is what the karma do. It's hard to be apart from you, cause ooh, I
love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home.
I'm drank up and I'm danked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm drank up and I'm danked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it, you elevate it, you.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. So the unit that I am rocking today was sent to me by Westkiss Hair. Shout out to you, Westkiss, for sending me this unit. I truly do appreciate it. The unit that I am rocking is their 180% density highlight ombre curly wave 13x4 lace frontal wig. I do have it in 16 inches. It says hashtag piano 4/27 ombre, and I have it in a medium cap size. I'm gonna go on their site and see if I can get any extra details about this wig. Okay, so on their site it says balayage highlight wig, curly human hair wig with highlights for women. It says brand name Westkiss human hair wig. All the other stuff that I basically already told you guys. So I'm looking for more details because I want to tell you the lengths that is available in, not just the length that I have. So it says this unit is available in 14 to 24 inches. Mind you, I have this unit in 16 inches, but it is available from 14 to 24. Just depending on you and what length you want. You can get this unit in a 5x5 closure, or you can get, like I have the 13x4 frontal. It just depends on what you're looking for. And I think it is only available in 180% density because I don't see any density options with this wig. Okay, now as far as shedding and tangling, I really did not notice any shedding with this wig. I did tweeze it some. It did come pre-tweezed, but I did decide to bleach and tweeze it more because it also did come pre-bleached. I just decided, I've been a little extra with the bleach here lately, y'all. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, but I have been a little extra with the bleach. So I did decide to bleach it a little more, and I did decide to tweeze it a little more, but it does come both, like with both, straight out of the packaging. Now, as far as tangling, it did tangle some. It was nothing to write home about, but it is a curly, wavy sort of wig, and I always sort of expect that with those types of units. Like, it's very rare that I can get a curly or a wavy wig that doesn't do that. So I want to throw it out there. So if you have an issue with either that you know, and you can't come back later on and say, you didn't tell me, girl, because I told you, sis. Okay, I told you. So want to throw that out there. As far as this unit being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is. I am an average cap size, and the unit that I am wearing is an average cap size. So you kind of do with that what you want to do with that, because I only got the head that's on my shoulders. I did have to adjust the straps, and when I have to adjust the straps, I do deem a unit to be big head friendly. So do with that what you want to do with that, sis, okay? I'm throwing it out there. You can decide to catch it if you want to, okay? And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. Now, if you are interested in my pros and cons about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna start with the cons, because if you know me, then you know I like to start with the cons because I like to end on a high note. So my con with this unit is the fact that it is a 13x4. You guys know, with 13x4s, that means they only go back here. Now, I will say up here it goes back, or it appears to go back a little farther, but I decided to do a left side part. Yeah, I decided to do a left side part. So with that, you have to kind of curve it. So that is like, to me, the only con that I could think of with this unit. It's not a huge con, it's a con for me. It may not be a con for others, but with this one, it was a con for me. So that is my con with this unit. Okay, so as far as pros go, honey, look at this color. Need I say more? Okay, this color is everything. I have had this color and with this unit before, and I loved it, and I decided to do this color again because I just love this color. You can't go wrong with this color, y'all. It's everything. Also, I love the fact that this unit came pre-tweezed and the knots came bleached, and if I didn't want to, I didn't have to do any extra with it. I could see like some knots, like it was lightly bleached, so I did decide to bleach it a little more because that's just the kick I'm on these days. But I do love that if I wanted to, I could wear this unit straight out of the packaging. You know your girl lazy. So luckily today I was feeling, I was in that mood, but if I didn't want to be, I didn't have to be. So I love that for me with this unit, and I love the curls / waves, whatever it is. I love it. I think it is a whole look, and I kind of want it to be a little bigger, so I'm probably gonna comb my fingers through it and stuff because I did apply some product to it. And if you know if you want that sleek sort of wet look, don't touch it. If you want that brick hair, don't care, touch it, girl. So that's what I'm gonna do. Would I recommend this unit? Yes. And because I've had this unit in not only this length but in longer lengths, I would say I recommend it across the board no matter what length you're looking for. Like, I will say that I love the 16-inch more than any of the other lengths that I've tried. But that is just a me thing because I'm just, child long hair, I be sitting on it to be in my way. I like it when I'm going out. Now, I'm not gonna lie, but for my everyday sort of hair, I love this sort of length, especially with my curly units because it's also not as hot. So I love this unit. I think it is really, really gorgeous, and yes, I would recommend it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And I hope you guys can see it. Yeah. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, I'm feeling it. It's a look, it's a vibe to me. Let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you think it is cute. Let me know. Sound off in the comments. I am interested in hearing you guys' opinion. And yeah, if you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And once again, shout out to you, Westkiss Hair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm HealthyMissy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back.